Hello health seekers, I'm Dr. Salma Soussi, certified MD practicing in Turkey, and welcome to my YouTube channel. When we hear health tourism, we tend to think about rhinoplasties, breast implants, and facelifts. But believe me when I say it's a very tiny fraction of what it really represents. Let's start by a quick classification. There are 4 types of health tourism: the medical tourism, the elderly health tourism, the disabled health tourism, and the thermal tourism and spa wellness. Now this is the classical type everybody is familiar with. We're talking about heart surgeries, cancer treatment, annual checkups. These are procedures that are routinely performed in the Turkish hospitals. Did you know that spa literally means healing through water? Doctors are now aware that modern medicine has its limits, and some of us even recommend to our patients to go through thermal cures at least annually, and people love it. Other than the undoubted psychological benefits of reconnecting with nature, thermal therapies have proven to benefit patients with skin conditions like psoriasis, acne, eczema, but also joint problems and rheumatoid diseases, diabetes, hypertension. Some experts even use heat as a therapy to heal cancer. Turkish thermal waters have superior quality in terms of flow and temperature, and they're rich with sulfur, radon, and other very beneficial minerals. This country is located in the Alpine Himalayan belt, which gives it a great potential for thermal resources, as it ranks 7th in the world and 1st in Europe. There are 4 main thermal touristic regions in Turkey: the South Aegean, the South Marmara, the Phrygian region, and Central Anatolian region. They have 42 thermal spring areas, and they offer a wide range of cures depending on the doctor's recommendation and the patient's health condition. According to studies led by the United Nations, in 2017, the number of population aged 60 years and over numbered 962 million people. It is expected to double in 2050. That's especially true for some regions of the world, with Japan leading the way, followed by Germany, France, and Korea. This actually creates an increase in the demand for services of care. This is why countries like Turkey have developed centers for rehabilitation and care for the elderly. They call them here the elderly health villages that you can find along the Mediterranean coastline. And quite frankly, it feels like a long beach holiday. People can have orthopedic disability, visual impairment, hearing impairment, language and speech impairment, but also mental disability, or a disability as a consequence of a chronic disease. Disabled tourists in Turkey have access to sanatorias and touristic complexes where they have rooms and facilities fully equipped to host them, but also a team of professionals, access to doctor services, and most importantly, access to touristic excursions and tours. Remember, we are building this together, so help me know what topic you want me to cover next in my video, and I will. Now, are you ready to become a health tourist in Turkey? Leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.